Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the year in the Microsoft Word calendar template. First, open the Start menu on your PC and search for Microsoft Word, then click on it to launch the app. Once Word opens, look at the home screen and click on More Templates to see additional template options. In the search bar, type Calendar and press Enter. You will see many different calendar templates, including monthly, yearly, and customizable designs. Scroll down, take your time, and choose the calendar template that fits your needs. After selecting a template, click on it, and then click Create. The calendar will open as an editable Word document. Now, click directly on the year shown on the calendar. Delete the old year and type the new year you want. You can also click on the month names and change them manually if needed. If the calendar includes dates, you can edit those as well to match the correct days for that year. Once you finish updating the year and months, review the calendar to make sure everything looks correct. After that, click on Save, then Save As, choose a location on your PC, give the file a name, and click Save. Your updated calendar is now ready to use. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.